Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com. Making this small video about oil, crude oil. So let's get started. This is the chart, the weekly chart I made on the 2nd July this year when we were here at 50% of this rise. And we spent it like 3 week, 4 week here and not going down. So I said, okay, now we're probably making a turn to the upside, maybe here, 84.95 or higher number. Somewhere there, right? All of these small numbers, a lot of numbers here. So what happened to this chart? I'll just go, move forward, fast forward. So we went all the way here, hit, drop, and then go back up to this level, 92.89. Then I made the chart that, okay, we're probably going to drop back to this 76.06 or maybe lower before going to the upside. So what happened to that chart? This was on the 24th September. The next chart on 11th November. We drop all the way here. So now you see this TL here. So I said, okay, I made a new chart saying this. So maybe we're going to drop to the TL, hit the TL, and then bounce and go to the upside. So for this chart, what happened? This is what happened. Just now, I just recorded this chart a little while ago after making a small entry, a long entry already. After why? Because the price hit the TL already and kind of bouncing from there, right? So let's go take a look at my entry chart. My entry chart is this here, right? So I made an entry and it is just like right here. Let's say 76.40, and now we are at 76.51. And this is my entry here, buy order here, SL just below that. So let's see what happens. 76.06 is the key number. As long as we stay above, we have a good chance of going to the upside. All right. So this is what it is. Just wanted to share with you guys and show you that what is oil doing right now and what we can do. So let's see if I survive. If not, then I'll look for another entry later on in the volume time. But as long as I think that as long as we are above 76.06, we can go to the upside. So let's see what happens, right? So, and then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can get these videos as soon as I upload them, so you can take advantage of the setups, right? And if you like what you saw, you can go to my website here and sign up for one-on-one coaching or whatever, lifetime membership, this and that, or the EA if you need, whatever, right? So I have a 50% discount going on right now until Friday, Black Friday. So take advantage of that. And this is it for now. Just wanted to share with you guys that this is what oil is doing. All right, so bye for now and talk to you guys later. And the next video I will be making after a few hours, of course, for gold. Okay, and then I'll show you what gold is doing. All right, so take care and have a very, very wonderful the rest of the trading week, which is one more day.